knowing how to create graphic designs, manipulate photos, manage text, etc. does not make you a professional until you know how to export its files for the web, and put your creations to printing. In this tutorial, we will learn how to organize our documents, save them, and export them, in different formats. To save a file in Photoshop, it's through the File tab, Save. Save. Saves your file directly. Save As lets you tell yourself or want to save your file, in which folder instead, and change the name of your file. It has no better than keyboard shortcuts. To record quickly, it is by Ctrl+S. When saving a file, Photoshop asks us to save it either on PC or online, via the Creative Cloud. It is now possible to back up your files directly online. For this, you need a Creative Cloud account. What are the recommended formats for exporting? Photoshop's default format is the PSD, which is the source file for all your work. If the file exceeds 4 gigabits or more, Photoshop forces you to save it not in PSD, but in PSB, which is intended for large files. Save for print. For print files, such as photos, flyers, or others, they must be of very good quality. To do this, you must convert your design or image to the CMYK colorimetric profile. Through the Edit tab, assign a colorimetric profile. To verify that your photo or document is in maximum resolution, that is to say at 300p. This is in the Image tab, Image Size, and Resolution. Now, extensions intended for printing and which give a satisfactory result are PDF. Portable document format. The PDF format allows export in several color modes: line, gray level, RGB, CMYK, and indexed colors. This is the ideal format for editing. Someone who does not have image software will always be able to open his PDF with Acrobat Reader. We also have the TIFF, tagged image file format. Printers also generally accept the TIFF. It supports line, images, RGB and CMYK images, grayscale images, vector plots, masks, and layers. It is an open format for bitmap, which means that you can change some parameters, such as contrast or color with the graphic design software. JPEG. Joint Photographic Expert Group, high resolution preferred, the simplest and most reliable. Printers commonly use the JPEG file, because it is a format that allows for reducing the size of the files. The JPEG authorizes CMYK, RGB, grayscale, and bitmap. Save for the web. The file size is an important point for most users who view web pages. The larger an image file, the longer the transfer time. The user's waiting time is therefore extended. You must use a file format that reduces the size of the image while maintaining optimal quality. Generally, photos intended for the web must be small and low resolution. They must be 72 dpi, and that is more than enough for the web. When saving an image for the web, select one of the following file formats. GIF. This format compresses monochrome images and images containing areas of similar colors. It supports 8-bit colors. JPEG. This format is also recommended for the web, because it allows efficient compression of photos. It supports 24-bit colors, uses lossless compression, and is recognized by most browsers. PNG. This increasingly common format makes it possible to compress images efficiently. It supports 24-bit colors with lossless compression. Since PNG format is not as common as JPEG format, some of its features are not available for older browsers. We can save our files for the web via the Save and Save As an option. However, to optimize your files for the web, you have to go to the Export option. First, the Export option allows us to export quickly in PNG format. This is a predefined export type. However, to customize your export file, it is by exporting as. The dialog box Export has many options and advantages. Among them, we have the image format to be saved in JPG, PNG. The quality of the image. image size and dimension, as well as the size of the image working area. Colorimetric space, metadata. Scaling allows you to magnify the image size with good quality. However, the file size becomes too large if you exaggerate too much. There is no need to press export. I hope that with its options, you know how to export your images, design, or others for both printing and the web.